How to enable trackpad right click on Mac. So all you need to do is to open your system settings. So you can click on Apple logo in left upper corner area and here open system settings. And now we want to scroll down and find the icon of trackpad, which should be down here, and open it. And here is the secondary click option. So if it's turned off, you can click or choose one of these three options. So click or tap with two fingers. Up here is the preview if you choose it. Also make sure you hover your mouse on that secondary click. So if you click with your two fingers, it's gonna right click. You can also change it to click in bottom right corner. You can see it in that preview in the right down corner of your trackpad. You can right click. And you can also change it to click in bottom left corner. So if you click in this area, it's gonna right click or use the secondary click. I personally prefer click or tap with two fingers. It's the best option for me. You can choose your own. So this was how you can change it and set it up. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.